Magandang araw mga bossing, ito na yung piyesa natin for today's video. Isang bonsai family tree. Kaya nga mga bossing, ito ay isang family tree din, lalagyan ng mga pangalan. Ito din yung gusto ng client natin, request by client sister. Yan mga bossing.
So I told you this whole area. This is a look where you're at. Okay. That's right.
A-R-C-H-E-R.
Perfect. I like it. Thank you.
You can forward now. Okay. The hard thing is the name. Sometimes you miss it. Even you have to copy. Yeah.
I had to call my sister because they're not my kids; they're my sister's kids.
Okay. Yeah, you get this over here.
Oh. No.
Are you okay, sir?
Oh yeah.
You like getting my...
But I don't know. Everyone says the police are corrupt, and they're not wrong.
Ginawang massage yung karayon.
Ayan mga boss, tinulugan na ako ni client.
Parang wala man kay client.
Dito mga bossing, kinukulayan na natin. Yan. Gusto daw ni boss may kulay.
Ha?
Ayan muna tayo sa baba. Eh, medyo light natin konti yung sa kanyang pangalan para mabasa pa rin.
Ano mo ko kayo nila? nice para kasuyo siya.
At syempre mga bossing, ito na yung iniintay natin, yung waiting for highlights. Yan mga bossing, napakasarap nito.
Now we're working 1 hour
Dami
and
na
22 minutes.
nakatikim niyan. Alright.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, this one.
At yun, ito na yung finishing natin mga bossing, yung bonsai ni client, family tree.
Over the
Yan, happy client na naman tayo. Thank you for watching mga bossing, and sa mga supporter dyan, thank you very much. Next video again. Alright.
Bonsai.